everyone, I'm Allie with PotomacBeads, and today I'm going to do a little spotlight on a new magnet that we are carrying, which is neodymium. This magnet is a chemical element, which I found out a lot working with it, and it's a really, really strong, basically, element. It's ND on the periodic table, and it is the atomic number 60 for all of you science fans out there. And basically, why we got the magnet is for a number of different reasons. I've been using them in a couple of different settings, actually. The original reason we got them is because we have so many really, really cool cabochons and different, flat back items that would be great as fridge magnets or as decor for lockers or to add on something. You can even use a pin having one magnet below the actual clothing and one on the top. These magnets are going to be 10 times stronger than the average magnet that you're looking at or that is used generally, that clay magnet that's created. And the magnets themselves, we have in 1 millimeter, which I have kind of stacked here. I had to keep them all stacked together in order for this glue to dry, and I'm using the Loctite super glue. Because the magnet that I had on the back here was trying to pull across the table in order to get to the magnet that's glued on my actual pliers. Now you may ask, why do I have a magnet glued on the pliers? It is because around me here in the recording area, there is a metal frame that holds the overhead camera. And the metal frame that holds the overhead camera is basically a wasted space. So we glued on a magnet here to the pliers, and then I can put the pliers right onto that metal and it hangs along here. Another idea is that with these magnets, you can actually use them to help you kind of find needles, to get the needles out of your mess of beads, and to pick up other things as well. It's a super, super, super strong magnet. Again, that is going to be 10 times stronger than the average magnet. And we are selling them for those multiple uses, whether or not you want to have them on your tool, whether or not you want to make some really cool fridge magnets with all of the different cabochons that we have available, or if you want to use them for pins that you can put 2 magnets, one below the clothing surface and one over top of the clothing surface. They are going to be, again, kind of that crazy strong magnet when you're looking at them. They are considered a rare earth element, and that's going to be the difference of why you don't see them used in every single magnet, because they're not the least expensive magnet. However, being that they are 10 times stronger than the average magnet, you're going to get a lot of playtime even, kind of pulling these apart, working whether or not you're getting the thicker ones at a 2-pack or some of these thinner ones. They're actually really, really fun to play with because they have a crazy magnetic strength. I have to keep my kids from playing with them as I'm working with them as well. But if you get a chance to check out, or you have some uses or things that are brainstorming through your head to use this neodymium magnet for, check them out, have fun, and kind of add them to the little creative aspect that we have here at PotomacBeads. If you want to check them out, you can purchase them from us at PotomacBeads.com, and we'll put links below me in the description of the video. As always with these YouTube videos, you can give a little thumbs up. You can let us know your ideas for using the magnets and what you like to use them for to help out other people that may be viewing and to expand this beading community. As well, you can always subscribe to this YouTube channel for regular updates, new product spotlights, as well as the multitudes of tutorials that we give to you daily. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and enjoy playing around with your new magnets.